Welcome to today's episode. Today, we are going to talk about the right use of time, according to Chanakya. Time is the one resource that cannot be stored, recovered, or negotiated with. According to Chanakya, most people do not fail because they lack intelligence, talent, or opportunity. They fail because they misuse time. Chanakya believed that time reveals truth. It exposes character, it rewards discipline, and it punishes negligence silently. Time does not argue, it does not warn repeatedly, it simply moves on. Chanakya observed that people often respect wealth more than time. They fear losing money, but casually waste hours. This, according to him, is a fundamental misunderstanding. Money can return. Time never does. Chanakya taught that the right use of time begins with awareness. Most people do not consciously waste time. They drift. They drift into distractions. They drift into comfort. They drift into habits that slowly consume their days. Chanakya believed that drifting is more dangerous than laziness. A lazy person knows he is idle. A drifting person believes he is busy. This illusion is costly. Chanakya emphasized that time must be directed, not filled. Filling time creates activity. Directing time creates progress. Many people stay busy all day yet move nowhere. Chanakya considered this a sign of poor intelligence. Intelligence, according to him, is visible in how one prioritizes. Not everything deserves equal time. Giving equal attention to everything means giving proper attention to nothing. Chanakya taught that wise people decide what deserves their time and what does not. This decision is uncomfortable. It requires saying no. It requires disappointing others. It requires discipline. But without this, time dissolves into obligations. Chanakya also warned about delay. Delay is subtle. It feels harmless. I will do it later. I have time. It can wait. Chanakya believed delay was the polite language of self-sabotage. Important tasks are delayed. Trivial tasks are done immediately. Over time, this reverses priorities. Life becomes reactive instead of intentional. Chanakya taught that the future is shaped not by intention, but by daily allocation of time. What you give time to, you become. He also spoke deeply about youth. Chanakya believed that youth is often wasted because people believe it is endless. Strength feels permanent. Energy feels unlimited. But time is quietly passing. Chanakya warned that time is most dangerous when it feels abundant. By the time scarcity is felt, many opportunities are already gone. This is why he emphasized urgency without panic. Urgency does not mean rushing. It means respect. Respect for time. Chanakya also believed that time exposes excuses. People say they lack time, but they always find time for what they value. Time does not lie. Priorities do. According to Chanakya, if something truly matters, time is created. If it does not, time disappears. This is not fate. This is choice. Chanakya also spoke about consistency. He believed that small, regular use of time outperforms intense, irregular effort. 1 focused hour every day beats 10 hours once a week. Time rewards rhythm, not bursts. This is why discipline was central to his philosophy. Discipline protects time from emotion. Motivation fluctuates. Mood fluctuates. Time keeps moving. Only discipline stays aligned with time. Chanakya also warned about overthinking. Overthinking wastes time while pretending to prepare. Thinking has value, but excessive thinking replaces action. Chanakya believed that action clarifies more than contemplation. Time spent acting teaches faster than time spent doubting. Another insight Chanakya shared was about distraction. Distraction fragments time. A distracted hour is not a full hour. Attention decides the quality of time. This is why Chanakya valued focus. A focused life feels shorter but produces more. A distracted life feels busy but remains empty. Chanakya also emphasized rest. The right use of time includes recovery. Exhaustion leads to poor decisions. Poor decisions waste more time. Rest is not a luxury. It is maintenance. Chanakya believed that a tired mind misuses time, even with good intentions. Balance preserves clarity. Chanakya also spoke about urgency in learning. He believed knowledge should be acquired early, applied immediately, and refined continuously. Delaying learning creates dependence later. Delaying application creates regret. Time punishes delayed growth. Chanakya taught that those who respect time gain independence. Those who waste time become dependent on luck, people, and circumstances. Independence, according to him, was the highest form of security. Another powerful teaching was about endings. Chanakya believed that knowing when to stop is as important as knowing when to start. Staying too long in unproductive work, toxic environments, or meaningless routines wastes years. Time does not announce when it is time to leave. Wisdom recognizes it early. Chanakya also believed that time magnifies habits. Good habits, repeated daily, create strength. Bad habits, repeated daily, create weakness. Time does not judge habits, it amplifies them. This is why small daily choices matter more than rare, big decisions. Chanakya taught that life is not shaped by dramatic moments, but by how ordinary time is spent. Ultimately, Chanakya believed that respect for time is respect for life itself. Those who honor time live with clarity. Those who waste time live with confusion. Time is not your enemy, but it is not your friend either. It is neutral. It responds only to how it is used. Chanakya did not ask people to rush life. He asked them to use it consciously. Because a life lived consciously rarely feels wasted. And a life wasted in small moments cannot be repaired later. This is the wisdom of Chanakya Neeti.